In Sprinklr, Smart Approvals assist campaign managers in the process of approving content. In this video, we'll take a look at how to use Smart Approvals in Sprinklr. Smart Approvals assist campaign managers by using Sprinklr AI to moderate social media posts. This not only helps brands avoid the risk of inappropriate content getting approved, but also generates flags to approve content that needs to be updated before publishing. To set up Smart Approvals, you first must create a column in your engagement dashboard to view all pending approvals in the approval queue. Let's take a look at how to use Smart Approvals on an engagement dashboard that already has a pending approvals column set up. First, in a new tab, click Engagement Dashboards within Sprinklr Social and open an engagement dashboard where you've already added an approval column. On the Smart Approval column, you'll see the Smart Approvals with Smart Content score on the messages of the column. You can use the View Smart Approvals permission to control Smart Approvals at the account level so that it only shows up for accounts that are associated with English-speaking users and markets. Posts are classified into 3 buckets based on Smart Approvals. Content looks good for approval, meaning the campaign managers can go ahead and approve the content. Content might need review, meaning the campaign manager might want to review the content before approving and publishing the content. Content must be reviewed. This means the campaign manager must review the content before approving and publishing the content, since it would contain inappropriate and not safe for work content. Smart Approvals flags inappropriate posts and messages based on multiple categories. These categories are generated by an AI model that requires training and updating the model on a continuous basis to incorporate brand-specific identities. When you provide feedback, the model is retrained. Let's take a look at the categories within Smart Approvals. Inappropriate content flags profanity, nudity, or not safe for work images. Image quality flags the content if it's blurry, low quality, dull, out of focus, and more. Brand logo flags the content if the brand logo is missing or the aspect ratio of the logo is inappropriate. Appeal flags if the content and the appeal don't match. Tone flags the response to a post on the basis of its tone, whether it shows aggressiveness or lacks warmth and empathy. To learn about Smart Approvals, including more detailed lists of what content might be flagged as inappropriate and why, check out our knowledge base. To get there, go to Sprinklr.com/help and type in what you're looking for in the search bar. You've just learned about Smart Approvals and how to set them up within Sprinklr.